Hello and welcome back in our Networkers on YouTube channel, and we are back with the SD-WAN series. Today we'll discuss vManage configuration with the next step. Previously we configured the VPN 512 for the management access, then we configured the system configuration. Now let's see the VPN 0 configuration. So topology you can see here, this part VPN 512 we already configure, and because of that only we can access graphically. Then I also configure the one identity kind of configuration, that is called system configuration. And now we'll do this side, VPN 0 configuration. So let's do that, guys. So here we are in the vManage and configure terminal. And here you can type VPN 0. Okay. We no need to create that. Let's say if you want to see that, again I can tap end, and here I can show you the command. So interface description. So you can see here VPN 0 also there, VPN 5 also there. This we already configure, and in the last we configure the system. Okay. Now our part is this Ethernet 1 interface already there in the VPN 0. So you can see Ethernet 1 is already there. We'll put in the VPN 0. So again configure terminal, then VPN 0. Now here you need to understand what interface configuration like we done in the 512. So interface Ethernet 1. Okay. Now remember, it is also case sensitive based on the Linux. Okay. If I type this way space, it's giving error. Okay. There is no space between interface category type like Ethernet or gigabit and number 1. It should be continue Ethernet 1. So see, it's working. Okay. Then you can type here IP address, and you can type what the series. If you remember what we decided, this side what 10.200 series. If you want, then I can type here 10.200.0 series and /24. This is for what? You can say VPN 0 transport. So this is the network we have. Okay. In this what? In this we are using normal sequence 1, 2 and 3. So 10.200.0.3 we configure here. Now for vManage, what we IP 10.200.0.1, and then /24. Here we don't have subnet mask but directly prefix, and then no shutdown. Okay. Now what? For the management, it's just a normal interface, guys. Here I want to access, so it's a locally connected, and that is called management with the 512. But for this side, VPN 0, public device also going to connect via public internet. Public device means what? Other vManage device from the other branch, and you require that connection with the secure connection, you can say. So in this case, here you also going to create tunnel. Okay. And here that concept also you need to understand, like what normal Cisco router we are creating physical interface, IP address, and then separately tunnel interface. While here we don't have that stuff. Directly inside the interface you can create tunnel interface. So that tunnel interface directly use this interface as a source and destination. Normally, guys, just reminding you, if you have the idea, then normal tunnel interface is like what in Cisco router, interface, tunnel, and then tunnel number. Then you specify the IP address here. Then you specify what? Tunnel source. And then you specify tunnel destination. Now, why you require this whole thing? Because tunnel interface is different here, separate. You configure the physical interface like interface, gigabit, 01, and there another thing, IP address and whatever thing there, and tunnel interface, both are separate. So you need to specify that for this tunnel what is the source. Okay. But for this SD-WAN concept, what we have? Physical interface. Inside that only you can configure tunnel interface. So what happened here? The benefit that we no need to specify source and destination. Even we no need to specify the IP address. Whatever this interface IP, it will use as a tunnel IP, and whatever the physical connection of this interface, it will use as a source and destination. That means We only need to configure what you actually want to use in the tunnel. You not require tunnel IP and source and destination configuration. That is benefit here. So let me configure that. Inside the okay guys, you are inside the interface, inside the Ethernet one, and here I am typing the command tunnel interface. So now I am in the tunnel interface. You can see. Okay, and here what? Here you need to configure the other services which you want to allow. Now this tunnel interface you are going to use for what? Access of this device. So you can do the centralized management, and for that remote access management, here we require one SSH thing that you already know, and second thing is what? Netcon. For SD-WAN backend control management, two services using, one is SSH and second is Netcon. So that we need to allow here. Allow service, and you can also use question mark here. Okay guys, you will get the list. All DHCP, DNS, HTTP, ICMP, Netconf, NTP, SSH, done. What I told you guys, Netconf and SSH. This we require for the remote access service I want to start. Then second thing, later you need to start this CSR also, and we require certificate file in our device. So I want to download the certificate. So that kind of FTP service we don't listed here. You can see FTP or TFTP we don't have separate. So for temporary purpose you can say, or for the just first time beginning purpose, I also use this keyword, all service. Okay, that all service will counting other service which is not listed here. It's not actually overall. Okay, remember here the all keyword meaning. All service means what? Whatever not listed here, that other all service you want to start, you can start. That means we'll use three command here. Allow service, SSH, allow service, netconf, and allow service all. If still anyone have doubt that all means all service, then I will show you again the verification at the last. What is in the running config? You will get idea like I done in the previous video. So just save this and commit. Let me take you to the privilege mode, and here you can configure again what? So running and VPN 0. Here command is very simple guys. Running config you want to see all, then it's your choice, otherwise VPN 0. And you can see guys here VPN 0 configure Ethernet 1 with this IP, tunnel interface, allow all, still not allow this. Okay. So remember guys, here allow all means it's not all the services. It's only that service which is not listed on this list. Other service they allow. Okay. If anyone have doubt for this also, then it is by default only allow. Even you don't configure anything. Okay. Remember this point, or you can separately note it down. DHCP, ICMP, DNS, and HTTP. These four services by default allow, even you not type the command. Then this service we allowed, this service we allowed, and all other service not starting. Now second thing, in the VPN 0 you require, that is what? Routing, because this VPN 0 is responsible to communicate other network and outside network. And again, this controller not support all routing protocols. So here we have simple thing, default routing. Okay. So what we'll use? 123 IP we decided here. So then we'll use other IP. Normally what in default gateway you will find .1 IP as a first IP, or nowadays in real scenario they start using last IP 254. So 123 we already using here, one we can't use. So I will use 254 as a default gateway. So again, configure terminal, whole thing inside the VPN 0. Okay, because VPN 0 require routing, not VPN 512, not the global mode. Inside the VPN 0, but command is same, IP route. Normally you're typing this way, any network and any subnet mask, and then next stop. But what I told you here, we don't have subnet mask, wildcard mask, directly /0, and then next stop, that will be 10.200.0, this same network, default gateway obviously from the same network, but 254 IP as I told you. And then again commit, exit, one more exit, and you can check here. So IP route, so you can see here, enter. We have a normal network. Okay, whole network is here, and then once we start here with the default gateway IP, that also you can see. So now guys, here as a conclusion, what you require, you need to understand that inside the VPN 0, inside the VPN 0, you require three things. One is the physical interface configuration that we select here, Ethernet 1. Second is tunnel interface configuration. And third one is what? Default routing, IP route. These three things we configure here. So this is your VPN 0 configuration, guys. Here you can say our vManage all CLI configuration done. In next video, we'll see the vManage graphical configuration. Till now, that's it only, guys. And stay tuned for the next video of this series.